I'm Bo with Thermal-Tec Multi-Ply Roofing Systems. Your metal roof is designed to shed water. When HVAC units, curbs, vents, and other penetrations are added, they may create a water dam. Thermal-Tec takes a complete approach to ensure the longevity of your new roof when installing the MR Multi-Ply Roofing System. To prevent ponding water behind these penetrations, a fill detail is installed. Starting at the roof peak, a rigid board is installed to the back of the curb or penetration. This creates a flat surface, eliminating the area where water will pond. The fill detail is sloped to the sides, where a small cricket is installed to direct the water away from the back of the unit. Including fill detail on your roof has a lot of benefits. Here are just a few. By installing a fill detail to allow your roof to shed water properly, Thermal-Tec takes the extra step to ensure your roof will perform to your expectations. Our company is designed around the philosophy that we are easy to do business with. Let's get together and find out what's the easiest way for you to get going with this project. We work from Canada to Florida, throughout the United States. So give us a call. We're ready.